For the repair of Terasaki overcurrent trip, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add 3 LED, a multimeter and a magnetic trigger. Green LED is for the preferential trip, yellow LED is for the long time delay test, and the red one is for the short time delay test. At first, we perform a preferential test. Then, we perform a long time delay test. Then, we perform a short time delay test. Lastly, we perform a test manually. It is now clear that the Terasaki overcurrent trip is working successfully and it is ready to be delivered to the customer.